Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove your Tesla Model Y roof rack. This simple process can be done at home with just a few basic tools. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface. You'll need a 4mm hex key, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth or towel to protect your paint. Having these items ready makes the removal smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. Now that you have your tools ready, let's begin by locating the 8 clamp covers on your roof rack towers. These covers protect the bolts underneath. Gently use a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open each of these 8 covers. Once exposed, insert your 4mm hex key into the bolt. Turn the hex key counterclockwise to loosen all 8 bolts, but do not remove them completely just yet. With all 8 bolts now loosened, you are ready to carefully lift the entire roof rack assembly off your Tesla Model Y. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you with this step. This helps prevent any accidental scratches to your vehicle's paint or damage to the rack itself. Gently lift the rack straight up and away from the roof, then carefully place it onto a soft, protected surface. After successfully removing your roof rack, take a moment to inspect the roof of your Model Y for any dirt, debris, or marks. Clean the mounting points thoroughly with a mild soap solution and a soft cloth to maintain your vehicle's finish. Consider applying a paint sealant to these areas for extra protection. Finally, store your roof rack in a safe, dry place, perhaps in its original packaging or a protective bag, until you need it again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.